Hi everyone, I'm Kate Wu. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to continue to paint some autumn color, and today we're going to paint some leaves turning red. Let's get started. So I'll be using ink and all four colors that I always use: the red, orange, yellow, and blue. Two brushes, one large and one small. I'm going to start with the large brush, mix some green and then the orange and red color to paint the leaves. I like to have a nice shade of green to red toned in one brush and paint 2 to 3 leaves at a time. And then when I run out of the color, then I'll mix again and start fresh so that every leaf is a bit different. I don't pre-mix the color because I want each and every stroke different. And now you see that these strokes are a bit dry, but that's okay because in autumn the leaves are actually dying, so they actually turn red and then brown and eventually falls off the tree, so it's okay. I'm going to paint a few more leaves which are on the foreground, and then I'll start moving on to painting the branches. Actually, this is going to be the climbing plant, so I'm painting the vines. You probably noticed that I don't draft on the paper before I paint. I don't. I always start with a rough idea in mind and then just paint. Of course, it takes quite a lot of practices and many trial and errors to get the painting that I want. So sometimes I can paint a good one in my first attempt. Other times it takes several trial and even days to create a nice one. Sorry that my painting is out of the camera right now, but I'll move it up in my next frame so that you can see what I'm painting. Now I'm adding a bird. It's red, orange, and yellow on the chest, and just ink for the wings and head and tails. If you're new to my channel, please check out my other videos which I have demonstrated how to paint birds in details. If you like this video and would like to see more in the future, please subscribe and press the bell notification button so that you don't miss out any updates. I'm painting the eyes, carefully dotted. Now I'm adding a few more smaller leaves to enrich the composition. And then the final touch of splasher. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something. I'll see you next time.